Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy has offered to send 150 Ukrainian firefighters to help battle the devastating wildfires in Los Angeles. While Ukraine is under constant Russian bombardment, Zelenskyy said the heroes are ready to go and help save lives halfway across the world in Los Angeles. Ukrainians, showing the world once again that Ukraine doesn't just fight for itself, it fights for humanity. And Russia? They couldn't possibly let Ukraine have its heroic and historic moment with California, according to the Kremlins. Zelenskyy is sending 150 firefighters so they would protect his mansions in LA from burning down. Here's a different variation. Los Angeles fires destroy 8 mansions of Ukrainian generals. I kid you not. Impressive, Russia. Your imaginary propaganda is on fire. But your reality, your economy, is just smoke and ashes. Also, aren't your oil refineries literally going up in flames as we speak? Ukraine, California sees you and will never forget who stepped up when the flames were rising. God bless Los Angeles and Slava Ukraini. The headline, I wanted to scream. It was that bad.